Yeah?
Watch me, Mom.
Okay, ready. Jewel, hold on to the camera. We're doing it.
Okay. We're doing it?
We're doing it, girl.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Really? I can do it with Jewel on back?
Oh shoot.
No.
Come on.
Oh my
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, y'all, it keeps going.
Oh my gosh, no. No more. No more.
Ah! That hurt.
No, but I felt that.
Watch out, you guys. It keeps going.
I'm filming all of this. That was kind of fun.
Super.
What? Don't go any faster. You don't know what's ahead of us.
Watch out, I'm coming in front.
Duck.
Oh my gosh. That was literally fast.
I'm
Oh
serious.
my gosh.
Whoa! Whoa!
Keep going.
There's more. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Oh no.
Hold on, Mama. Hold on to me. Whoa! Oh, Nelly. Woo!
Mom.
How you doing, Elle? Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Pedal Assist 5 is kind of gnarly. Joel, make sure you're holding on to me, baby.
Ellie, come on.
Yeah, here's people.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Goodness.
Guys,
Oh!
Mom, can we go back on the jumps? We're going to do them more.
Yeah, ready?
Guys, we're going to...
The same way?
Yeah.
That was so fun.
Okay.
Do that again.
I want to watch that back.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, Joel, make sure you hold on to Mommy.
I know.
Yeah, we're going back. Oh, Alex, okay.
What?
But, hey, babe. Alex wants to go this way to hit the jumps. Okay.
Oh, we're
Okay.
doing it again now?
You want to go?
Got it on.
Okay.
Okay, we're doing the same thing but backwards.
Oh, he's going so fast.
Can you guys believe I just went for it?
What pedal assist are you on?
One.
Dude, I was on 5 and I felt like gnarly, I know.
Are you going to stay on
I'm
5?
taking it down. I'll take it to 3.
But I'm doing hard.
Whoa!
Woo! Okay.
Okay.
Oh, we're going fast.
No, huh?
You don't have to keep up with them, Mom. I'm on the back.
I know, baby. Trust me, we're not. I can't even
We're
see them.
off-roading.
I can't even see where they are.
Yeah.
Hold on to Mommy. I don't feel your arm. Oh!
I'm here. I'm just with my arms filming.
Make sure if you're about to fall, you don't worry about the camera. You just make sure you grab onto Mommy.
I know.
Whee! You know, keep your legs on the thing, because right here it kind of got the, here we go. Last time it kind of wedged up on my pedal.
Yeah. Where's the jump gonna come? 'Cause I'm scared.
That one's up, like we have to get out of this and then go to the left. Come on, I'm coming, Bubba.
Oh, I thought I was gonna hit that.
I know, it looks low, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, here's one right here.
Okay, we're here.
Yeah.
Okay. You can come on.
Yeah, do it, babe. Okay, here he comes. You got it on him, babe? Oh, he got a lot on that one. Oh, whoa, dude. I wish I would have got that on camera.
I have it.
But we couldn't see it because the bush.
Oh.
Cool, dude.
If you want to get a lot of air, hit it from this side. The lip. There's like a little lip.
Okay, you got this, girls.
3 probably.
Okay, come on. Okay, Ellen, I'm taking this bike up. I gotta walk it up.
Again.
Are you filming, Joel?
Yeah, I bet
Hey,
you
Bubba.
done now. After this.
Yeah, call it, get him.
There, you got it.
Woo! Hi, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm okay.
I know. It's
Yeah, I went
We
flying
went
off
hopping too. Wait a minute, this took us back.
We
What
went
did
the wrong.
someone build there? Jewel, look at TV someone built.
Oh my gosh.